Uy! Andyan ka pala. Andito ako sa labas. I'm walking with Jill because she did take a nap, so she's up. But I've decided to do this video. I've been tagged by Cynthia of the Plant Bbz, or Bbz, 2 months ago, so it's long overdue. So there's questions, this is basically the truth or dare video. So yeah, let's do this. So the first question is, what made you start YouTube? So my friends already know this. Yes, I'm watching Jill in front of me, so I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you guys all the time, but gotta watch the baby. But anyway, so what made me started my YouTube channel? It's basically because, oh Jill, no. It's basically because so every time I would open a box, I would be so excited, and then my husband's kind of just like meh, and I wanted to share the joy that I feel whenever I open a box, or whenever there's a new growth or anything about plants. And I also want to learn more about it, and at the same time I want to share to people and basically confirm if it is also happening to them and their plants. So yeah, that's basically the main reason why I started my YouTube channel. And the second question is whether I like my YouTube handle or name, or if I want to change it. So it is Jillian's_plant_corner. So it's a mouthful, but also at the same time I like it, though it confuses people whether my name is Jillian. And by the way, I'm not Jillian. Jillian's my daughter. My name is Joan. So maybe if ever, that's the only reason why I would change it. But I actually like it because, again, all this plant thingy started when I went for my maternity leave, and I was bored at home, and I started going down this hole of plant motherhood, basically. Yeah, and most of my plants started with me the same age as Jillian now. So she's 18 months, so some of them are a few months older, but technically they're like 2 years old by now. So yeah, so I wouldn't change it for anything, but I just want to clarify that I am not Jillian. I am Jillian's mom, and my name is Joan, or Joanne. And the next question is becoming a YouTuber or plant tuber worth it? In my opinion, it is, because I get to know you guys, and just like I said, it fulfills the reason why I started this channel in the first place, basically to share my enthusiasm and Jill, you okay? Enthusiasm and the joy of having plants or becoming a plant nano. And look at this girl, she likes plants too. So yes, it is worth it. And yeah, I get to know you guys, so that's actually the bonus or the great benefit of that. And then the next question is, free plant versus free lunch. Well, if it is a Hoyang Pilipina or a Hoya that I don't have yet, obviously that one. But who am I to choose, right? Of course I'm gonna choose free plant, because food, I'm a Filipino, I have resources, you know. I just go to my auntie or my friend or my mom, there's food. So yes, free plant for sure. Next question is if I think I have changed since my first video to now, in comparison to now. I would say yes, because if I look back to my first video, I'm so timid and my voice is very low, and then now I'm just basically like, wow, like, yeah, you know me. And then the reaction with Hoyas and everything. So I'm I think more open now. I have loosened up more. Yes, basically, yeah, I'm like, wala na akong pake. Yes, so that's that should have answered the question. Yes. Next question is, have I ever gotten a cutting, I guess like just basically without permission or anything like that, and what is it and what do I feel about it? Yes, I have, but I took it with permission. This is from a big box store, and yeah, I don't feel anything about it, like, cause it is consented. But the thing is, me and my sister took a cutting of a neon pothos, and yes, that's my sister, from South Coast Plaza. Yeah. And up to this day, so we got a node each. She got the top cutting, and then I just got a middle cutting. And I was pregnant at the time too. Yeah, like kind of. And it's still alive up to this day. And what do I feel about it? Now I just laugh. But I know I shouldn't have done it. Careful, Jill. Last question. If I were asked to change my name into a plant name, what would it be? I really love the way, or like the proper way of pronouncing Philodendron Biliaceae. So maybe if I can get that name, that would be cool. I'll be like, hey, Biliaceae, come here. Your patient is calling you, or Jill is looking for you. So yeah, I would like to be called Biliaceae. So now we go to the dare part. So supposedly I am dared to do an impression of one of my favorite YouTubers. I can think of anyone, but I would think, let's do hey guys, I'm glad you can make it. Did I do it right? That's supposed to be Kaylee Ellen. Everyone knows her. So yeah, I hope I did her justice. And then the other one is to do something, or to show something that like a hidden talent or something like that. What is my talent? I don't have a talent. Can I just smile? I know I'm good at smiling. Okay. And of course, the last part of this dare is to tag 5 people to do the same. I would like to tag Berg, and then I also would like to tag Janel. I'm gonna tag you. So those are the 3 people, 2 more, because it says at least 5. So let's just stretch it out. I'd also like to tag Plantyange all the way in Australia. Hi, Ange. And the last one, I tag all of you. If you are watching this and you have a YouTube channel, I dare you to do this truth or dare, I guess, and because you have to do everything. And yeah, and if you haven't been following us on Instagram, Jillian's_plant_corners up here. Again, I'm not gonna change that name. And kita tayo dito next time, as well as on Instagram. And may you always be blessed.